Ready? Start. Another equally important thing is about the division of the personnel of the services. Stop. In this matter, the States Reorganization Commission recommended that there should be uniform pay scales in all states. Stop. For that purpose, they said, when the state of Madhya Pradesh or Karnataka was created or formed, there should be uniform pay scales for all these services, be they belonging to the old Mysore cadre or to the Bombay cadre or Hyderabad cadre. Stop. From the bill, I do not find any such attempt being made. Stop. It is true that to raise the scales of pay in Mysore means additional expenditure to be incurred from the state funds. Stop. But can we defer or postpone it or avoid it? Stop. I think we cannot stop. It is absolutely necessary to strengthen our administration, and one way of strengthening the administration is to have a uniform scale of pay for all the services from whichever area they might come. Stop. Otherwise, what will happen is there will be one scale for the persons who might come from Mumbai, another for those coming from Chennai, another for those coming from Hyderabad. Will those from Mysore will have their own scale of pay. Stop. This is bound to create a lot of confusion, and in this context, I am sorry some political leaders in Mysore made the mistake of making a statement that they did not want the services from other areas, and if they came, they must come at their own risk. Stop. I do not know whether that statement was made after consideration. Stop. Over.